Your doors do more than provide entry and exit points. They protect your family, improve energy efficiency, and contribute to your home's curb appeal. In Maricopa, where the desert climate brings high heat, dust, and occasional monsoon storms, doors face unique challenges that can wear them down faster than expected. Recognizing the signs that it's time for door replacement can help you stay ahead of problems, save money, and enhance your home's comfort. Rising energy bills from drafts. If your cooling costs seem higher than usual, your doors may be part of the problem. Air leaks. Gaps around the door frame allow cool air to escape and hot desert air to seep inside. Dust infiltration. Even small openings let in dust and allergens common in Maricopa's climate. Energy-efficient replacements. Modern doors are built with insulated cores and improved weather stripping to minimize energy loss. By replacing drafty doors, you'll reduce strain on your HVAC system and enjoy lower monthly bills. Visible damage and where the desert sun and harsh conditions take their toll on doors over time. Cracks, warping, or fading. Prolonged heat exposure can cause wood doors to dry out, split, or lose their finish. Rust or corrosion. Metal doors may show signs of damage from heat and dust. Compromised integrity. A damaged door doesn't just look bad, it also weakens your home's security. If your door looks worn out, a replacement can restore both function and aesthetics. Difficulty opening or closing. Doors should open and shut smoothly. If yours sticks or drags, it may be more than just an inconvenience. Swelling or warping. Even in dry climates, sudden humidity from monsoon rains can cause materials to shift. Frame misalignment. Over time, extreme temperature fluctuations can cause frames to expand and contract, affecting door fit. Security concerns. A door that doesn't close tightly leaves your home vulnerable. A new, properly installed door ensures smooth operation and stronger security. Outdated appearance. Sometimes, a door still functions but no longer complements your home's look. Faded color. Sun exposure can cause paint and finishes to deteriorate. Style mismatch. If you've updated your home's exterior, your old door may no longer fit the design. Curb appeal boost. A new, modern entry door can instantly upgrade your home's appearance and add value. For Maricopa homeowners, curb appeal matters, not just for personal pride but also for resale potential. Increased noise or lack of insulation. A door that fails to block outdoor sounds or heat is another sign it's time for replacement. Noise intrusion. Thin or poorly sealed doors allow traffic or neighborhood sounds to filter inside. Temperature transfer. Without insulation, the desert heat radiates through, raising indoor temperatures. Modern solutions. New insulated doors help create a quieter, more comfortable living environment. This upgrade makes a noticeable difference, especially in busier Maricopa neighborhoods. Security concerns. Your door is the first line of defense against intruders. Worn locks and hardware. Old doors may not support modern, high-security locks. Weak materials. A damaged or hollow core door is easier to force open. Upgraded protection. Replacement doors come with reinforced frames, advanced locking systems, and durable cores. Replacing outdated doors ensures better safety for your family and property. Final thoughts for Maricopa homeowners. Replacing your doors isn't just about looks. It's about comfort, efficiency, and safety. Drafts, visible damage, sticking doors, or outdated designs are all clear signs it's time for an upgrade. Modern replacement doors offer better insulation, improved security, and long-lasting durability designed to withstand Arizona's desert climate. If your doors are showing any of these warning signs, don't wait until small issues become big problems. Investing in door replacement today means a safer, more efficient, and more beautiful home tomorrow.